stop buying hot rollers until you watch this. If you have fine hair, you already know the struggle. You set your hair in rollers. It looks amazing for 20 minutes, and by lunchtime, it's flat again. Here's the truth nobody tells you. It's probably not your hair's fault, it's your roller size. Today, I'm walking you through the 8 best hot rollers for fine and aging hair, organised by what your hair actually needs, not just what's trending. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which set is right for your length, your texture, and how much volume you actually want. Let's get into it. 1. Why roller size beats everything else. Before we get to the picks, one rule: diameter matters more than heat, brand, or price. Small rollers grip short hair and build tight curl. Medium rollers are the sweet spot for bobs and bangs. Large and extra large rollers create soft lift and movement without looking curled. Pick the wrong size and even the best roller set on this list will disappoint you. 2. Best overall, T3, volumizing hot rollers, Luxe. For shoulder-length fine hair that wants soft volume instead of tight ringlets, this is the gold standard. 2 generous roller sizes, dual heat settings, and velvet flocked barrels that are gentle on delicate strands. 3. Best value, Conair Jumbo and Super Jumbo, ceramic rollers. Want big, soft volume without the premium price tag? This 12-piece ceramic set delivers full head lift for chin length and longer bobs at a fraction of the cost. 4. Best for short hair, Babyliss Prio Nano Titanium 20 roller. Short layers and longer pixies need variety, not one giant barrel. This set gives you 3 roller sizes, so every section, from the crown to the nape, gets the right fit. 5. Best adjustable heat, Callista Hot Wavers. Fine, colour-treated, or aging hair doesn't always need max heat. Callista lets you dial down the temperature while still getting a full set, all with mixed roller sizes for flexibility. 6. Best for shine, Remington Shine Therapy Hot Rollers. If your hair looks dull or dry after styling, this set is built to fix that, adding body without sacrificing softness or shine. 7. Best traditional multi-size set, Hot Tools Professional 20-piece. The reliable, no-fuss option. Multiple barrel sizes handle layered cuts beautifully, letting you build volume where you need it and control where you don't. 8. Best premium pick, Dry Bar, the Roller Club. If you want that salon blowout look, rounded, bouncy, polished, this is the splurge-worthy set built exactly for that finish. 9. Best steam alternative, Caruso Molecular Steam Setter. For hair that feels fried by conventional heat, Caruso uses steam instead of dry heat to set your style. A gentler option for fragile or mature strands. 10. The 5 roller crown trick. Quick bonus, you don't need a full head of rollers every day. 5 rollers placed strategically down the centre of your head, front to back crown, can fix a flat crown in under 10 minutes. So there you have it, the 8 best hot rollers for fine and aging hair, plus how to actually pick the right one for your cut. Remember, bigger isn't always better, hotter isn't always better. Matching the roller to your hair length is what actually creates lasting volume. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more fine hairstyling tips, and let me know in the comments which set you're trying first. See you in the next video.